Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. And here is professional Instagram story pack. Total pack is 12. These are in PSD for Photoshop CS and C plus user. Here is Black Friday sale. So you see here two different format, PSD and AI with images. Wow, that's you can edit it, but these files are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime. It says here is blog story. You can import your own photo and write anything. Next is Crystal Instagram stories. Here is font use, free images, you can use it. And here is PSD. Wow. Next is Denmark Instagram story. Here is font, and here is a PSD file. Double click to Photoshop. Here is 24 fonts. Okay, press Ctrl H for onto margin line. Click on layer. Here is total 20 posts. Wow. With images you can edit it. Amazing. So you can add it in one by one. That's mean here is 20 templates in one PSD. Next is mean fashion Instagram. So import your own fashion photo. For example, here is just we need a image. Our text is here, our image is here. Replace it. We need image. This one. Oh, Control S, and you see our photo on background. So you can adjust. Main fashion templates volume 2. Here is 10 PSD and here is free PSD minimal. Okay, free images, full high definition PSD. Wow. Same thing is here. Open in Photoshop. Here is 20 templates. Ctrl H for margin, hide for margin line. Oh, system is busy. Okay, you see, you can edit it. For example, extract this. Here is image, background, here is text, and last image is here. You can edit one by one. Quits. Oh wow, 82. You can write your own quits or change background. Here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, you can write anything. No. Sales story. Here is two different format, AI and PSD. Wow. Scotland. I think here is 20 templates. Control H. Wow. Oh. Depending on your own choice, you can write anything. And last is winter. So here is $27 PST and some photo for preview. Font link is here. You can edit in Photoshop. Wow. Update Pinterest style. Export the article. Okay, and here is winter. Okay, and last is password. In this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now in $2.99 for a lifetime access. I hope these stories are useful for you. Subscribe me. Love is